I was looking at my tell sheet this morning. My tell sheet is where I track the 50 stocks that I think have the most potential over the next 3 years. And I feed them to Samantha. And she gives me the price of what the stock's going to be on January the 27th, 28th, and 29th from today's price. And glaring at me is that there are 4 stocks that she says, based on today's price, that will be up over 80% between now and January of 2027. And I said, wait a second, this can't be. They're all in the same industry. And then I got to thinking, well, hell yes, they're all in the same industry. This is the same thing that happened when we discovered the printing press, when we discovered the radio, the TV, social media, the internet. The same industry always is the first to get the primary benefit. And then she's telling me these 4 stocks are going to be up between 84 and 89% from today to January of 2027. So I think to myself, is it this damn easy? Is it history just repeats itself and you just got to wake up and say, of course it is. Of course it is, because it's done it every time there's a major change in the delivery of information to human beings. Advertising. There's more of us than there are of anything else that spend money. And so, of course, they're going to come after us with advertising. And the advertising is going to become personal. They're not going to advertise to the masses. They're going to advertise to me and to you, because they know what we want to buy. And we just want the best price for it. So they're going to put it in front of us, whether it's on social media or TV or billboards. I guess the billboard will recognize us coming down the highway and change the message specifically to our needs. That's what's happening. I want to share these with you, but I'm not going to give them to you. No, there's no free lunch at Best of Us Investors. I want to make you wealthy, but I know I can't make you wealthy unless you're willing to spend something on becoming wealthy. Because the reality is there's only 4 ways to become a billionaire. Did you know that there are 8 billion of us on this planet and there are only 3,000 billionaires? Because there's only 4 ways to become a billionaire. And the first one is through the luck of the birth canal. That is, your mother is married to or is herself a billionaire. The second is at the altar, where you get that cute young thing, whether male or female, and you marry them and they're a billionaire and they make you a billionaire. The third way is to become an entrepreneur and create a product or service that you and I can't live with, we the consumers, and you become a billionaire. And the fourth way is the way I'm going to do it and am doing it, and that is invest in those entrepreneurs who become billionaires and create products and services that you and I can't live with. So what Samantha is telling me right now is the biggest thing that has ever happened in humanity for change is that of AI. And the first industry that is going to benefit is the same industry that always benefits when there's a major change in communication with the human beings. And that's advertising. And there are 4 companies. Come to my tell sheet. Come to my website. You'll find the link in the description. It'll take you to a landing page. It'll tell you exactly what we have done as a tribe over the last year, over the year to date, compared to the S&P, and then you'll get some testimonials from real people who have worked with me and have made themselves millionaires. And so then you can go to my website, spend 14 days, digest it, ingest it, do whatever you want with it, and make a decision. It's a simple decision. Do you or don't you want to become wealthy? There's only 4 ways. You've already given up on the birth canal. That's not a choice. You may still have the opportunity at the altar, and you may be an entrepreneur. But the fourth way comes through my door. Invest in those companies that are going to change the world you live in. And the first place they always show up is where? Okay, see ya on the website and see ya on next Friday's Stock Talk.